Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 LTE version is finally shipping.
Yes, here are the 6 reasons why you should splash out the extra cash for the LTE version Samsung Galaxy Active number 2.
Oh, I can't tell you how much I'm going to put his tires down.
There's a steep price difference, so we have to mention that before we get into the 6 reasons. And that is, we paid for this one 469 euros, and I'm not sure if it's available in the US yet, but it's starting shipping worldwide as far as we know. The cheapest version, the aluminium 44mm in Germany, cost 329. So you do have
Bluetooth version.
Excuse me, yes, the Bluetooth version. So there is a steep difference of price. And
why do I always fall down?
guys, if you're new to our channel, we do awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews. Reason number 1.
We chose the most obvious reason for number 1, and that is that you can leave your phone at home. There is no phone in sight, nothing to see. We want to test the LTE if it does actually work, and there we go. Hello, incoming call.
Hello, how's the sound?
I can hear you fine. How many of these tests have we done now?
Too many. But actually, this is the LTE version. It doesn't sound bad at all. It sounds really, really clear.
Okay.
It doesn't sound as clear as the phone, but I can really hear you well.
Okay, that's fine. But what does it compare to the Bluetooth version?
I think you can actually tell that you are on a cell phone this time.
Oh,
It's
so
a bit more slightly underwater.
so a slight downturn from the other one.
No, just different. Just different.
Just
Same, but
different.
different.
We're not politicians, you know. There you go. The quality is great. It works fine. Jens says there is a slight difference to the Bluetooth version, but you've got to remember we're outside with no phone. Whatever fitness activity you want to do, cycling, swimming, jogging, you can leave your phone at home. And if you still need something while you're out, you can pay with your Samsung Pay.
Absolutely. If you fancy that ice cream after you jog in, bing, and it's all done.
I really don't feel safe. I'm going to call 911.
Reason number 2.
Reason number 2 is super important, and that is emergencies. I have had a couple of emergencies actually where it would have been super useful. My neighbor needed an ambulance and I ran out of the house, no phone, anything.
Not cool.
Not cool. Or when school calls to pick up one of the kids, I jump in the car, and if I had this on and no phone available, I could still call hands-free while in the car with no issues.
Yes. So we did experience emergencies, and it is one of the compelling reasons why we would always choose an LTE watch over the Bluetooth. Sometimes you just leave your phone, you have to run out. And I remember finding you outside in the garden when you were tripping over a garden hose. It's a true story, and wasn't nice. A couple of days in hospital, and all is fine. And sometimes it goes faster than you think.
Yes, absolutely. Number 3, a no cell phone environment.
We believe that is one of the most compelling reasons out of the 6 why you should choose a smartwatch with LTE. There are certain jobs around the world that do not allow cell phones, mobile phones, whether that be a security at an airport, and I've seen them wearing the LTE watch, but they're not allowed to have a cell phone, right? So that fits nicely that loophole, if you like. And also pop concerts in certain locations where you want to stay in touch and you have to basically give your cell phone at the entrance, you have to put it away, and you still have your watch. And as of right now, it is still a loophole, and that's the most compelling reason why we believe you should get that LTE watch.
We've even been to some team building exercises where you have to put your phone in a box as you enter. It's a nice loophole.
Yes, we bypass that.
Reason number 4, you have multiple phones.
And I've taken that reason from my personal experience. I have a work phone, a dedicated work phone, and I do not want to carry 2 phones around. So I have a private LTE watch with my number on, if you like, and Tony and I, we can stay in touch. I can stay in touch with the kids because I don't want to have too much traffic going via the work phone. And especially when you travel around the world, it is really, really helpful to have that available and always be in touch with your loved ones. Obviously, if there's an emergency, I can use my mobile phone from work. But apart from that, I think it's a really, really good reason. Reason number 5 and 6 tie into the first one, leave your phone at home, but we think is still reasons to mention.
Hi, I'm checking the Galaxy Watch Active 2 sound. How is it?
Stay tuned to see that.
You can leave the house and have full access to your social media
Yeah.
accounts, whether it be Twitter, WhatsApp.
Yeah.
You are fully connected at all times. And if you have a boring waiting moment, you can go online. So there are a number of watch faces. The digital neon is the one that you see all over on the advert.
Yeah, that was basically the one that's on our box.
And reason number 6 also ties into reason number 1, leave your phone at home. When you go jogging, biking, swimming, whatever your fitness activity is, you can stream music. You don't have to download it. You can download it and then listen to that, but you also can stream music. And I know the Spotify app is very limited currently, but you can manage to do that, and it's working well. So,
yeah, if you are a music person and need your music on the go.
Well, you want
then it's
motivation when you go out jogging and you want to go jogging for that cake in the bakery, then you want some sort of
Obsessed.
motivation. So personally, for us, 3 reasons really stood out, and that's number 1, the emergencies. Number 2 is the no cell phone environment, and number 3 is having multiple phones, like the work phone dedicated to work only, and have your private phone also with you at all times.
I see it as an insurance policy on the emergency side.
So let us know in the comments below, would you choose the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 LTE version over the Bluetooth? And if yes, why? Jens here from Also Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace out.
Who needs logic? How is this life? The Mad Hatter, did you know? They brought one